Hi guys, today I'm playing APM. This is the second time I play APM, I guess. I'm gonna show you a hack that turns you into a helicopter, but you will only be spinning, not actually flying. So this is super easy though. So yeah, let's get into it. And yes, I'm playing more Roblox. And I'll maybe show you something else. You can make like a I don't know what it's called, but still I'm gonna show you that. It's like a speaker. It's like a speaker. Of course. Stop being computer. Wait. You can use any car for this, but I'm gonna do something else with this car too. So yeah. It's super easy. But the second one is a little bit hard. You need two of the boxes thingies at the back. You need the cones. Here like the cones here and side camper from the door. Walk all the way to this and grab that and grab some cones. And the second step is hay bales. I'll try and do the first one, but still super easy. I don't want to ruin that guy's day, so I'm gonna move a second spot. Okay, grab the hay bale. Perfect. Let's try the else. I think one tire doesn't work, so I'll do two more. What? Let's try this all again. Again. Try this out. Yep. It's working. Shoot. Shoot. Get out of the car. I gotta do this all again because it's like too much. Last time I watched the tutorial, it only took like 5 hours, not minutes, by the way. What is shorter, hours or minutes? I don't know. Don't quite know time. Yeah. Pretty much, I want to be a YouTuber. Pretty much that. Be a proud YouTuber. But I only have like 51 subscribers right now. I'm not gonna do it anymore. How to turn unit to a helicopter. After this, if the rain stops, If the rain stop, I'll play with my friends. But not with you guys. Tomorrow I'll upload it. I guess it's pre-recorded because I hate doing this. But tomorrow I'm gonna do a helicopter to show my friend, and let's see if he reacts to it. Let's do this. Oh, 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 oh. Here's it. Here's it. Here's it. Tutorial. Let's turn on the light. It's like a. I never tried this. It's like a siren. Weird ass siren. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, it calmed down. Remove. 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 I'll return this. Okay, next one. Be like a microphone at the back of your truck. Just ignore the tie behind me. Okay. Let's place one of these first. Super hard though. Remember guys, to always put the wheels in front. Like this. The like these guys, not the front. Not the front. The white thingy. Not the white thingy in front. Don't place the white thingy in front, okay? Yeah, that works anyway. Super hard though. Last time it took a lot of time. Wait, it's a little bit tilted. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mistake. Not a mistake. I'm making a fully mistake. I don't know that's wrong, dude. I think that's it. Too hard, dude. Oh my gosh. It's too hard, dude. It's super hard. Super duper hard. Oh, come on. Keeps like glitching out for me. Come on. I'm not gonna crash out. I'm not gonna crash out. I'm not gonna crash out. I'm definitely not gonna crash out and throw my iPad across the room like an iPad kid. I'm not gonna do that. Oh my gosh, I hate this. No more. Yep. Anyways, I have to. You know what? I'm just gonna use my controller. Straight up use my controller, dude. Last time, Spy Cakes copyright me. Yes. Come on. Cosmon. Where's Cosmon? Cosmoron? Yeah, this works anyway. Why is using controller more precise? Precise. Oh. Look up. Yeah. Oh, it's a little bit crooked. But, who cares? It does the job anyways. You can just get off the video if you want to, but if you don't want to, just watch it. Okay, nice. Cosmo. Commotion. Yeah. Yeah, I'm finished. Yeah, that's it. Bye, guys. Wait, please like and subscribe if you really like it. I guess that's what a YouTuber says. But, who cares? Bye, guys.